Welcome to our gardening guide on how to successfully plant a fig plant in your garden. Today, we will take you through the step-by-step process to ensure your fig plant thrives and bears delicious fruits. The first step is to select a suitable location for your fig plant. Fig trees thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Choose a spot with plenty of sunlight and protection from strong winds. Before we start planting our fig plant, it's essential to gather all the necessary supplies first. One of the key items we need is composted chicken manure, which will help improve the quality of the soil. Fig plants are known to be quite demanding when it comes to nutrients, so having nutrient-rich soil is crucial for their growth and development. Additionally, we will also need mulch to cover the soil surface. Mulch plays a vital role in retaining moisture in the soil, which is essential for the overall health of the fig plant. It also helps in regulating the soil temperature and preventing weed growth, creating a conducive environment for the plant to flourish. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your fig plant. It is important to ensure that the hole is spacious enough to allow the roots to spread out comfortably without any restrictions. Adding composted chicken manure to the hole and mixing it well is essential, as this organic fertilizer will supply the soil with essential nutrients that are beneficial for the growth of the fig plant. Since fig plants are known to have high nutritional needs, it is crucial to create a fertile environment that can support their development effectively. Add a generous amount of compost or aged chicken manure to the hole. Compost and aged chicken manure are rich in nutrients that your fig plant needs for healthy growth. Mix well the aged chicken manure into the soil thoroughly, ensuring it's well incorporated. By adding compost or aged chicken manure to the planting hole, you're providing your fig plant with the essential nutrients it needs to grow healthy and strong. Gently remove the fig plant from its container and place it in the center of the hole, making sure it's positioned at the same depth as it was in the pot. Fill the hole with soil. Press down softly on the soil to eliminate any air pockets, making sure the plant is stable and well supported in its new environment. Once your fig tree is planted, it is important to provide it with the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Adding a generous amount of composted chicken manure around the base of the plant is a great way to achieve this. This organic fertilizer will not only supply the fig tree with essential nutrients but also help in establishing strong roots. By nourishing the fig plant with composted chicken manure, you are ensuring that it receives all the necessary elements for healthy foliage and overall growth. This natural method of fertilization will support the fig plant in thriving and flourishing in its environment. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant, making sure to leave a small gap between the mulch and the stem to prevent moisture-related issues. Mulch serves multiple purposes in the garden. It helps retain moisture in the soil, keeping the roots of the fig plant hydrated during hot weather. Additionally, mulch acts as a protective barrier, shielding the roots from extreme temperatures and reducing weed growth around the plant. This simple step not only promotes the overall health of the fig plant but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of the garden. Once you have planted the fig plant, make sure to give it a good watering. This will not only help the soil to settle around the roots but will also activate the nutrients from the aged chicken manure. By ensuring the plant receives the proper nourishment, you are setting it up for success and encouraging healthy growth. Congratulations! You have successfully planted a fig plant in your garden. With proper care and maintenance, your fig tree will reward you with delicious fruits for years to come. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!